tell us the difference between confidential and intelligence funds? Because when Senator Lacson, Senator Judge Lacson stood up, parang his knowledge kasi is intelligence funds. So he was even asking the witness, what is your security clearance? Linalagay yan sa vault. But are confidential funds treated with the same kind of scrutiny and care as intelligence funds?
Yeah, yes. Confidential funds, essentially, the essential difference is yung confidential funds sa mga civilian agencies.
Okay.
Yung intelligence sa military and uniformed personnel, uh, what we call the intelligence
Right.
practitioners. Actually, nakadefine yan sa Joint Circular eh. And that definition came from those who knew exactly what they were talking about. Now, let me just take this opportunity na I think in the last 2 days, parang nabugbog din yung notion na porke confidential funds, confidential din yung pagliliquidate o yung mga dokumento sa liquidation. No, that's not what it means. The term confidential has to do with the purpose of the fund. So, properly speaking, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito are funds for confidential uses or purposes. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga apps, no? Projects, programs, and activities that are covert in nature because of the purpose that they seek to
Right.
serve.
Okay.
Oo, pero yun ang yun ang confidential. Kaya
Mo-
lang descriptive term ginawang confidential funds. But really what we are referring to are funds for confidential activities.